What's going on, everyone? We're going to cover 5 foam rolling exercises you can do in just over 5 minutes, but I'm going to keep this video nice and quick for you, and it'll be under 5. So stay with me here, and let's get to it. One really cool thing I'm going to do in this video is highlight and feature this really neat foam roller I've been trying out by Monument. So I'm going to show you how to foam roll using a vibrating foam roller such as this Phenom one here, and I'm also going to show you with some of my standard foam rollers in the back. We're going to kick things off with the PSOAS muscle, and it's one that I think it's really important to unwind because it gets wound up so much in our society today due to all the sitting we do. You create a pelvic tilt or a hyperlordosis, which causes a lot of problems. So we're going to unwind that, and in doing so, we're going to unwind a lot of the grouping of muscles in this vicinity here with the PSOAS, which runs up into the hip and sort of connects to the base of the spine. Now, the grouping of muscles include the adductors, the rectus femoris, or the tensor fasciae latae. So we're going to get at those with the vibrating foam roller, and then I'm going to show you with the standard one real quick on the other side, just to give you the comparison. So kick things off, the Phenom, I'm going to be choosing I want to put the foam roller somewhat on a 45-degree angle and focus on the one side first, which in my case here is the left side. And you basically want to roll it up at that 45-degree angle, and then in this case, because I'm using a vibrating foam roller, I'm just going to kind of find that space right up into my hip area and just hang out. The space where I feel there's a lot of tension or tightness. If it feels painful or uncomfortable, you might just want to take a minute and rest. Sit there, hang out, and work my way up and into the hip. And again, just hanging out here for anywhere from 30 seconds to 1 minute. I like to watch TV, or sometimes I'll just hit up Instagram, which while I'm doing this, you can take a second to check out my Instagram, the link in the description below, or you see it on the screen here. You basically just kind of want to hang out in this vicinity and let it do its work. And if you want, you can also stretch, which I like to do. And to show you the other side, we're going to do it with the standard foam roller. Now we're going to hit the IT band, which runs down the side of your leg. We're not going to hit the direct IT band, we're going to hang out around there, and I'll show you how. So again, slightly move the roller around, just like that. Now we're not hitting the IT band directly, we're going kind of just beneath it, below it, or just beside it, and letting the roller break through all that tissue directly, as opposed to trying to break through the IT band. It's very difficult because it's like a thick piece of, almost like a piece of beef jerky, if you want to think of it that way. It's very hard to work through, so you need to work around it and just let yourself relax. Otherwise, if you get too tense, then you won't be able to get through that area. We're going to work the glutes and the hips. I'm going to show you that with the vibrating foam roller and with the standard one, taking this up to a 3 first. And you want to put this horizontally, or, you know, I'm just going to make it easy for you to see, but you'll get the idea. And basically, exactly as I'm showing you here, you get onto the glute side of your hip, and you want to put this leg up onto your knee, and then you can push down if you want, or push forward, just move it around. And you can also just rock back and forth. And you can also lay down and pull this knee towards you. Number 4 and number 5 go hand in hand. We're going to start with number 4, the upper back, and then we'll get into number 5, which is the lats. Questions in this video, comment down below and let me know. All the links are in the description below for the Phenom and other devices you see here. Thank you for watching. See you again later.